Welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something that promises to be a total game changer for dry, dehydrated skin. If you've been struggling with tightness or discomfort from dryness, you're probably ready for a product that can actually replenish and soothe. Enter the THALGO Nutri-Comfort Pro Mask, a rich, nourishing mask that claims to hydrate, comfort, and restore your skin's suppleness. If that sounds like a dream, stick around because we're about to see if it lives up to the hype. Before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an honest beauty review from us at Beautyistic. Now let's get into it. The THALGO Nutri-Comfort Pro Mask is designed to hydrate and replenish the skin, making it feel more supple and comfortable. It works by replenishing lipids in the skin, essentially helping to restore its natural moisture barrier. This helps fade the tightness that often comes with dryness, leaving the skin feeling soothed and more hydrated. In terms of ingredients, the formula is focused on providing intense nourishment. It contains a blend of plant oils, vitamins, and other soothing ingredients designed to help skin feel balanced and comfortable again. The mask claims to visibly reduce the tight feeling caused by dehydration, making it ideal for those with dry or sensitive skin. I've tested this mask myself, and I've got to say, it's been a total treat. The texture is smooth and creamy, with just the right amount of thickness to give a luxurious feel without being too heavy. You apply a generous layer to clean skin, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse. I found it to be super easy to incorporate into my routine, especially as an overnight treatment when my skin really needs some TLC. As for how it feels on the skin, it's incredibly soothing. The moment I put it on, my skin felt a deep sense of relief, and that tightness faded almost instantly. When I rinsed it off, my skin felt soft and moisturized, not greasy at all, which is important because with many hydrating masks, that can sometimes be an issue. But of course, no product is perfect. One thing I noticed was that it took a little while for my skin to fully absorb the mask after rinsing. While I was left with smooth skin, I could still feel a light residue for about an hour. It wasn't overwhelming, but it's something to keep in mind if you're looking for something to sink in immediately. Now let's get into the pros and cons. On the plus side, THALGO Nutri-Comfort Pro Mask definitely delivers on its promise to hydrate and soothe. The texture is lovely, and my skin felt nourished without being overloaded. It's perfect for those suffering from dry skin that feels tight, flaky, or uncomfortable. It also works well for sensitive skin, which is a big win. On the flip side, the residue I mentioned earlier might be a bit off-putting if you're in a rush or don't want to feel like there's a layer left on your skin. Also, this mask is a bit on the pricier side, so if you're on a tight budget, that's something to consider. When it comes to value for money, this product is certainly high-end and you're paying for quality. The formula is luxurious and it does a great job of hydrating. If you're someone who struggles with dry skin regularly and wants to invest in a mask that really works, this could be worth the splurge. However, if you're just looking for something basic to hydrate your skin, there are cheaper options out there that might do the trick. Comparing this to other hydrating masks on the market, THALGO Nutri-Comfort Pro Mask stands out because it specifically focuses on replenishing lipids, which is crucial for restoring skin comfort. Many masks just hydrate temporarily, but this one offers something a bit deeper. In terms of performance, it's more on par with other luxury brands that focus on skincare science and high-quality ingredients. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and professional, with a solid jar that feels weighty and high-end. As for longevity, this mask should last you a good while. Since you only need to apply a thin layer, a little goes a long way, making it a great long-term investment for your skincare routine. If you're wondering whether this product is right for you, it's an excellent choice for those with dry, dehydrated skin, or anyone who experiences tightness or discomfort from dryness. It's a bit on the pricey side, but if you're dealing with skin that needs a little extra love, it could make a significant difference. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.